Y'all are not gonna believe this. I just recorded like 15, 20 minutes of footage. I'm so used to recording for TikTok. I filmed it like this, like a doofus. Today is June 14th, Sahar's 27th birthday. And bigger plans are later tonight. We're going to the Rainforest Cafe.
Hopefully you guys can hear me from there. I thought this was turning on this entire time, and it wasn't. I don't normally curl my hair. What is happening? Also just realized that my pants are unzipped. So today is my birthday, and we made reservations to go to the Rainforest Cafe.
And our whole family's gonna be there. I think there's like 15 people. Her side of the family, my side of the family's coming. It's gonna be something that Ezra can enjoy too, because he is a little jungle Tarzan baby, y'all. He loves being in just his diaper, loves being outside in the sun as long as can be. He's fussy. We take him outside and he just shushes right away, like outdoors, and he starts smiling and talking. It's the craziest thing. Our pediatrician office actually has like jungle theme. And he loves going there. Like the whole time he's just like.
Oh, he is looking at the frog.
Staring at the wall of all the like jungle art. We thought this would be fun. Sahar picked it. You know, she's so selfless and such a sweet mom. She wants to do something that her son will love too. That's really it right now. She's doing her own thing. I think she's getting ready, even though we still have like 3 hours. Until we leave. Actually, Ezra is right outside this room sleeping. So I'm about to go check on him real quick. Shh, shh.
I recently cut my hair because after pregnancy, it's just been falling out everywhere. Like if I showed you guys the ground right now, you'd be like, gross. I feel like I have to sweep and vacuum it up like every day. But it was like down to here at its longest.
Oh.
It's like vlogception now.
I was making some footage. I was gonna come scare you, but I thought you were on the phone with your mom.
That looks a little crazy because it's humid and I'm sweaty and it's hot or something. Is that cute? Is that a cute way to wear it? Oh my gosh, our messy closet. I just curled my hair and I'm tying it all back up because he's gonna yank it.
How long were you in there? Like doing your stuff?
I don't know, maybe
Like it was a while.
maybe 40 minutes?
That's crazy.
Good morning!
He loves this swing, you guys. It's honestly like the only thing that works on him when he's fussy. The only thing. And we have so many little like things around this place, and that's the only thing that he loves.
Not you showing them my pants on the ground from yesterday. We were at my mom's house and Ezra, like, he drank his milk, he was good, and I was talking to Trey, my brother was showing him something, and I sat Ezra straight up like this to burp him, and he goes bleh, all over my pants. Like all the milk he had drank came out.
But that's what happens, y'all, with babies. Like the house gets a little messy, but we clean it up when we can.
Yeah, like the house was literally spotless yesterday. And then between yesterday and today, it's a freaking mess again. I was just showing them the room. Like, this is all from this morning.
I showed them my office too.
That's crazy.
Yeah, right now he's living with us, rent-free. See, he's got all his stuff here that he needs. We're gonna go ahead and wake him up. Ezra, say hi. Say hi, buddy. Can you open your eyes?
That camera out of my face.
Can you open your eyes, stinky buddy? Huh? Oh, okay. Say bye.
Oh.
We headed to pick up some lunch because we've only eaten once. And we're just gonna get something real small before we get dressed and go to Rainforest Cafe. I'm also gonna head to Five Below because I need like a selfie stick. We've gone through so many ever since we started on TikTok and all that. I don't even know where to put this when I'm driving. I doubt this stays. You guys are probably gonna topple over As soon as I go in reverse. Oh yeah. Look at this. For real? For real? And I can't pass either. It's a freaking solid line. It's testing me. I'm going 7 miles per hour right now. And now there's a trash truck pulling out in front of him. Now I'm going 2 miles an hour.
I fed him. Trey went to go get us lunch. He's still not home. And in the meantime, I was letting Ezra play with his balloon up on the ceiling right now. Wearing a birthday hat because it's my birthday. I was letting him play with it and I just had him right here on the bed. Our room was very messy earlier. You guys saw that. And it just looked messy for whatever reason. Like all I did was make the bed and put some laundry in the laundry hamper. And it looks a lot better now. So I was letting him play with that and I just moved him off the bed and put him in the crib for a little bit so I could finish making the bed. And look at this. He fell asleep. He put himself back to sleep. Look, my little boy's outgrowing this mini crib.
I'm at Five Below. I'm gonna grab that thing real quick. Oh, that was a bust. And it's hot. Hot today in Texas. Sweating just walking to my car. I didn't even do anything. So yeah, didn't get anything from Five Below. I am going to head to Whataburger.
This boy keeps falling asleep. Are you awake right now? Are you asleep or are you awake? Do mom and you have double chins? Yeah, we sure do. Say we sure do, mom. Why are we laying the same way? What's happening? Oh, you're so grumpy. Yeah, that's you. Eyebrows and everything. Where's your happy little smiley face? What happened? Oh, there he goes, falling asleep. In the recycling bin. Cover my license plate. You know what I just realized?
That I'm wearing Crocs.
No, I didn't even realize that. It's freezing cold in here and the AC's off. Because it's just like so hot outside.
It's literally like a volcano outside.
It really is. He is doing that weird thing where he'll sleep anywhere. We completely lost track of time. And Trey's in the car. I'm running out the door. I'm gonna put my shoes on. This is my outfit, if you guys can kind of see it. We're going to the Rainforest Cafe, so it's very like animal themed. Ezra's in an animal outfit, and Trey's kind of in a safari outfit. Feels weird not taking anything with me.
Can't wait to see you. Goodbye. Love you.
And Buddy's in the car already.
We are running late, and this often happens with a baby. Before that, we were never late to anything.
I took a lot longer than him to get out of the house, but I wasn't late.
Yeah, but you were behind because we got to take care of our baby.
Yeah, I don't know how, but we just totally lost track of time.
Katie?
Yeah, we totally lost track of time. And we were planning on getting there early, and we were in the middle of, well, we realized we lost track of time when I was like, hey, let's film a TikTok. So Ezra, basically, he's the only one that got his part of the TikTok done. I guess we'll do like a version of it in the parking lot or something if we have time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we were running late, and that's where we filled you guys in last. And as soon as we got on the freeway, there was a car accident going this way, and then we thought there was a car accident going the direction that we're going. But it turns out like pieces of plastic had fallen out on the freeway, and the entire freeway was just covered in plastic. Also, hold on, I gotta show you guys our Texas freeways and how ridiculous they are. I gotta flip this camera.
Right on it.
Oh yeah, we are right on it, so it doesn't look that bad. But That boy asleep.
There's Chuck E. Cheese and water park here, and the Rainforest Cafe.
There's the water park. Neither one of us has gone to that water park yet.
That looks kind of little.
It is a little one. I think it's called something Tornado. I want to say Texas Tornadoes, but that's so wrong. That's the
It's
volleyball.
like a gym or something.
Yeah. Oh, Typhoon, Texas. That's what it's called.
Yeah, I think so. You sure that's not the new name of Splash Town?
No.
It's a lot bigger. Let's go.
Oh yeah, it extends all the way to the back. Look at those water slides. What the heck?
Those are the when we took Maylee and my little brother before I knew Sahar. Splash Town by our side of town has a ride similar to the one with like 7 or 8 of them coming out, and we all went down at the same time in different little tubes, and it was either Maylee or Josh. They didn't come out, and we like all 3 of us came out at the same time. And long story short, whichever one of them it happened to got stuck, and we had to like go back up there and like go behind them and like kick them out. But
They got stuck in that slide?
yeah, but it's not a big deal for most people because you would just get out of the tube and slide down. But there was
Oh.
sorry buddy, sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
no.
Dad's here. Dad's here.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's okay.
Mom's here too. You're okay?
You woke up startled, huh, buddy?
Oh no.
It's okay. Oh no. It's okay. It's
There
okay.
it is. The Rainforest Cafe.
It's okay.
So basically what happens to Ezra is he goes to sleep and then he wakes up normally in the car or at someone's house or whatever, and he startles himself because he's not he literally teleported. So he's scared, he doesn't know where he is, and he goes straight to like screaming, and then once he realizes like he's not alone, he's happy again.
It's okay, buddy. I was telling a story about your Aunt May and Uncle Jaja.
The Rainforest Cafe? I see your mom's car.
The food was delicious. Bacon, eggs, and biscuits. Is this person?
He loves it!
He can see everything.
Yeah! How exciting!
Want to know something cool? Trees and rainforest.
He wants to see everything.
Can you wait till it gets a little bit cooler? Then just
Sorry.
That's a big shower. Yeah.
He's like, he told me away.
That's so cool.
Oh, that's horrible.
Look at him staring at it. You like that snake?
It moves. Oh. And that was a little bit too close. His shirt's messed up in the back. You gonna fix it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness!
Oh.
Oh! Here, Josh!
like he's a baby or something like that. Get passed around or something.
Yes, he's getting passed around.
Oh my gosh. Look at
Like, They're not crying, I guess. My little buddy. You look at that butterfly. He's a pretty butterfly.
What are you doing? What are you looking at? I don't know what you're looking at, but okay.
Oh, he might see it. He probably sees that red butterfly.
No, he's watching this way.
Oh.
He's looking that way. I don't know what he's looking at though.
The lights.
Maybe the lights.
Josh, look at.
He pooped the first time I farted. I'm like, really?
I think he was pooping when I was holding him at the wedding.
Yeah.
See a monkey climbing down a tree.
Wait.
21st birthday. 21.
Attention Rainforest! I have a very special birthday at my table tonight.
Whose birthday?
This is Sahar. She's celebrating her 27th birthday. On the count of three, we're going to sing you a very special Rainforest song. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. If y'all need anything else, then I'm going to
Oh, my fudge.
Rainforests can be found all over the world, too. From South America to the United Kingdom, even
Aunt May, Uncle Cha-Cha, Yaya Mamita.
He likes that slop.
Poppy's stealing stuff.
We didn't have a raccoon.
We didn't see one.
Did you see the size of him?
Yeah, it's big. You got slots from Poppy?
It's a
I think he's smiling at it.
Oh, he loves it.
Oh, buddy. Oh.
Have a good day. And all my homies gonna ride today. Oh yeah, Mom likes that song.
It may seem a little bit scary at first, but don't worry. Come with me and you'll see. It is full of wonders. Look, buddy.
Oh.
You're riding on a dragon's back. Oh my goodness. That's cool, huh? Yeah.
You don't sound like you're ready to go to sleep. You sound like you are playing. Let's get the outlet on so it can track your sleep. Oh. You ready for Nini? Ready for Nini time? Nina? Oh. Nina? Kelako. Huh? Kele? Oh. Someone absolutely hates being spotted. Look at the fight to get his arms out.
Uh-huh. You tell me all about Mom putting you in this thing? I know, I would not like it either. No. Yeah. Uh-uh. I don't blame you. Tell me.
He's asking you to get him out.
You need help? Do you need help? Do you like it or not? You almost seem to like it. And you're just uncomfy. Okay, okay. Ready? You gonna say thank you? Yeah, look at Mom. You know who did it. You know who did it. It wasn't me. Yeah. Woo! That was mine. I saved you. Yeah. I know. I know. Yep. I saved you. Yep. Tell mom. Tell mom.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, I was gonna kiss your cheek and you targeted me.
I was just trying to snuggle you and make you cozy for bedtime. Did you just toot?